Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, or afternoon, morning, wherever you are tuning in from. We are back and we are better than ever. Put that on a. Hold on, actually. Sorry, needed to grab my phone here. I left it. I have an email. Who's sending my emails? What do you want? But yeah, I have returned. It's been a while. I've just been out. Been kind of busy and really just been focused on trading. So I've really just decided whenever I needed to focus that I was not going to stream because I just need to focus on getting right now payouts for some big goals and you know, got some stuff in the works. Just don't want to say it yet. You know, potentially at the end of this month, huge video coming out. Huge update, not a huge video, a huge update coming out at the end of this month. So stay tuned, you guys. You're not going to want to miss it. You are not going to want to miss it. The updates, it's going to be a huge live update. Either way, we got 4 minutes until market open. We've just really pumped up today, and this is ugly, but yeah, I mean, I got absolutely obliterated. Not even funny. But I should be able to get another payout tonight. I think it'll be the last payout of this month. It should put me at 13,600, so just gotta wait for Apex to update. I wonder if they've already updated, or did they update at 5 o'clock? Because I do need to request a payout. I think they should have closed it already. Unless they start the new session at 5. Maybe they did. Hey. Cool, we're set. I'm gonna check my dashboard. That's what I'm doing right now. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm checking my Apex dashboard. .109 has not updated. Oh no, it has. All right, so we're gonna be focused on this one, 6. But right now I have 13 active PAs with Apex. We are gonna open up here about a minute and a half. I think I got that squared away. So yeah, like I said, huge update coming at the end of this month. I will be putting that video out once it comes, but I don't want to talk too much about it just yet. We'll wait until the time is right. Coach Fred, how's it going? Welcome to the show. But got about another 50 seconds or so before the market does open here. Nice. Love to hear it, man. Glad to hear you're doing good. But let's see. Today, huge sell at the open. And then huge recovery. Like 30,000 just absolutely. I mean, I tuned away because I got down around the first 30 minutes of the day. And then I just bounced. And I said, hey, I'm good. Didn't want to trade anymore after I got what I wanted, and I hit the day loss limit on 4 accounts, so it was not the best day. It was ugly. A lot of my trades doing, you know, just getting stopped out, and you get stopped out and the market runs the way you want it to, and sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles, you know. Sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles. There we go. We are officially open here. Let's see, how does ES react to this? Are the bulls going to come in and we're going to get some string to the upside? I like this for short. Perfect. Nice little pop down there. Saw some weakness in ES. Just had to strike it very quick. They didn't pop up, so nice 400 there. We're gonna call that right there for that account. Move on over to this one. So I was able to save that account. I think the bear's a little bit aggressive because we had this whole move up, so more than likely have some people just covering their positions here and everything's going down. Now obviously I'm trading right now through a prop firm, so all of this is not in a live environment, so I can't really affect the market, being honest right here. But I have traded live before too, and live fills are just it's a whole nother ball game, right? As far as fills, trading is the same, but just like fills and whatnot, it's a little bit more different. Getting more strength. I want to continue. I want to take this continuation of the short, but I'm gonna be a little bit patient here. I want to see if we can get a little bit of a pullback up here, and then I'll get short. Probably aim for the lows down here. As always, if you are tuning in, just want to, you know, give you a heads up warning. This stream is just for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. So do not copy what you see here, folks, ladies and gentlemen. Just need you to be aware of that. Hey, and I just got my $1,500 payout approved. So that puts me at $13K for this month. 13, yeah, in the neighborhood of 13,000. Cool, coming down. This was this was prior support. So question now is, are they gonna hold this as support, or do the bears take control for a little bit longer? Appreciate it, Coach Fred. I appreciate it. Looking to just continue the strength here. Ooh, ES is getting a strong move back up. I'm going to be super aggressive with this when I do pick these entries, but I wanted to take a short. That's not a really beautiful short entry. ES is kind of moving on up too, so looking like the bulls are trying to step back through here. Is this 30,000 going to be the hot spot for tonight? Is that what we're getting? He has to show some weakness. Let's take this. I'm going to be super aggressive with this. See if we can get this to just fake out the bulls. Have the bears come back through and we push it back down here. That would be beautiful. I mean, ultimately down here will be better, right? But it doesn't seem like we're going to get that to happen. It looks like the bulls are somewhat coming back through here. Stopped out. Yeah, we're about done with this account. These are the ones that hit my day loss limit, so there's not much left, so that's why I'm being aggressive with these. What a move back up though. It's 30,000 just since noon. It really has been the hot spot. Minutes pushing it again. And add into that. I mean, we're about to hit the day. We're about to blow up the count. So it's do or die kind of situation right here. Question is, can we just get these guys to flip it all the way back down? Just immediately, just bears come and take through would be a beautiful sight right here. They can close right below this candle. There's no wick here, so 83, get below it, bring it back down. All right, this one's done. Oh, bulls are coming on through. All right, so 1 for 1. I'm not too stressed out about it. What's funny though, on this account, long story short, I didn't pay attention to dashboard and I lost that one $2,000. We'll just put it that way. Oh, am I about to be faked out here too? I'm playing super aggressive on these. 98 to 76, that's what, 20 points? Six, 22, 40, 80, so I want to be a little bit further. Can we get the bears to come back through and just flip it back down? There's no wick for this 3-minute candle, so I want to see us do a little wick test. Just bring it back down to these lows. But then there's no wick up here too, so it's not the best of entry, but we'll take it. We'll take it, folks. Come on, bears. Need you to follow through. Got ES popping back down too as well, so if we can get ES to break the lows, we should take NASDAQ with it. For now, we just got this ugly fight between the two. Go. Let's get back down here. Flush it. If we can close below 80, I would feel more confident to put in break-even stop loss. Right now, we're just kind of fibbing out. NASDAQ is just fibbing around. Seems like they don't got the juice. Okay. Just need some math on the side here. Yeah, that should be a good spot. Looking like we're probably going to hit the loss here too. That one's donezo. Dude, these wicks are ugly. I mean, not wicks. Sorry, these candles are ugly. No wig, no wig. No contest. Of course, we have some more that we haven't traded. I'm probably not gonna touch those. 21. 16's good. 12. I think I just got. Yeah, we're not gonna touch that because I think I just got that one back up. Just trying to figure out what accounts I have left that I have not traded. That I need to trade. 10s, I think one of the accounts. That one's good. Yeah, no, I think we're pretty much set for some of these things. Bulls are looking to rally here, so I just don't like that this 3 minute doesn't have a. I mean, I guess we don't have a wake here either. These are some ugly candles. Playing these pretty aggressive here. 5 minutes looking better to move up to the highs up here. Looking like that's what the Bulls are trying to do here. We're above VWAP. I mean, everything's kind of just screaming up, but the market's really have been like kind of choppy lately, so it's like, oh, you think it's going down? Nope, we're going up. Oh, you think we're going up now? Nah, we're going straight down. Take a jab short here as well. So 20, I think I just need, that's what, 20 should be good if we can get down here again. So 2 contracts, playing super aggressive. Kind of do or die, save these accounts. There's no wake, so can we get this no wake test? Back to VWAP. Let's break down through here. Go back, retest this. 30,000s. Seems to be a hot spot. Can we get the bears to keep selling? Just reversing the bulls here. He's moving down as well, so looking better, but they're trying to hold up here. They're trying their darnest. But if you are new here and haven't already done so already, don't forget to subscribe. If you are subscribed, turn on that notification bell because, like the thumbnail or the little drawing says on my board, we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. And since you're tuned in, there could be some secret giveaways in between now and then. So you don't want to miss out whenever I do go live. We're just 5 subs away from 500. Getting that little hitting that first little goal. I think a goal of mine is to hit at least 1,000 by the end of this year. Which I got a little bit of time, 5 bumps to do it. This is a bowl night, an Asia rally session. Continue with Monday. I haven't checked the news yet. I think we do have some news coming out tomorrow too. We don't have any today, so I think that's also a reason why we kind of just went up. Normally on days that we don't get news, the market, as of late, has been really just like trendy. It kind of sucks. But, well, it doesn't suck. It just sucks if you're on the wrong side. That's what I mean. But when you're on the right side, you're going with the trend. Everything's, you know, all nice and dandy. All right, so tomorrow we have S&P, CS, HPI, House Price Index. All right, so Chicago. All right, so tomorrow, first 15 minutes of the open, we have Chicago PMI, and then we have JOLTS following that at the top of the hour. So those are 3-star news. We should get some volatility during those times. So, folks, if you are trading tomorrow, do be careful during those times. Of course, I will be as well. I just won't be streaming it, but I will be trading tomorrow. All right, what do we get here? Is my entry turning into support? Is that what's happening? Feels like that's always happening, right? Anybody else feel like you're the? It feels like you're the victim, but in reality, it's not. My other accounts are sitting at a pretty healthy, so that's 110. I still have one more account that I probably will be trading after this, depending on whatever happens here. Wait, 122. How am I at? Oh, okay. Alright. Some of these accounts I just gotta be smart with how I play it. I've gotta go, and if you didn't tune in at the beginning of the stream, I have a big update that will be coming out at the end of this month. I don't want to spoil anything yet, so you guys are just gonna have to really just be subscribed, be there for it, you know. Let's see, did we get this breakdown here, or is this? Are they gonna hold this VWAP here as support and try to rally up? Would love to see us just come back to the bottom of this range down here. But, you know, the market will do whatever it wants, right? It's not going to give you, not always going to give you what you want. The market will do what the market wants to do. And there ain't nothing you can do about it. ES is moving back up. Bulls are stepping back in. It goes up for a brief amount there. Yeah, bulls are stepping right back in. Guess it's one of those nights you just close your eyes and you go long. Not financial advice. Do not take that to heart, guys. I'm just joking, okay? So if you're watching, that's not financial advice. Do not do that. Follow your plan. Listen to yourself, right? Follow your own plan. Don't follow me. As you can see, I'm losing right here. So, hey, don't even look at my trades. You know, actually, I don't even exist. This is all AI. So, yeah. Heavy rally here. There we go. I think we're probably gonna see 50s coming up here. Bulls rallying right here, stepping in strong. I think this account's definitely toast. Kiss goodbye to this account. But it's alright. This one was at the edge of its life too, so no harm, no foul is what I would like to say, but I do need to be smarter about these as well, for being honest. But the good news is I was able to take a 1,500 payout, so looking better for this. I mean, this is the best month I've had so far. $13,000 payouts. That's my best month ever out of my 5 years of trading. So I can't really complain, you know. Very blessed, very thankful for the situation that I'm in. That I'm able to wake up every day and just chase after my dreams. It can be very easy to try to play the victim and get sour and be like, oh, why is this happening to me? And like, yeah, blah, blah. But it's the little things in life, guys, that matter, you know, just being thankful for what you got. Because somebody else out there would kill to have your life. They break 35. I mean, they've cleared 40 or whatever. They cleared these little wicks, 38. I think they're coming up to these highs. Which all-time highs are up at 31,103. It's about 1,000 points. Quite a bit of a distance to go, but I think 30,200 on the daily chart looks like it would be the next kind of area of resistance. I'm just not a fan of these no wicks down here. I think probably what might happen, all right? It's not going to happen, all right? I'm not saying it's going to happen, but what might happen is they might take these highs, and then at the top of the hour, once we start getting closer to actual, like the Asia Open, official Asia Open, it might teeter and come back down here, but that's just, you know, I'm not saying it's going to happen, right? I'm just kind of thinking out loud. So that's what I'm doing. Kind of just thinking out loud here, folks. Let's see, what are we getting here? The bear's going to be the bears, and they're going to step through right here and just flush it right back down. On a 5-minute candle, 20. There we go. Break it back down. New 5-minute. Right back up. Yeah, the bulls want it. They don't want it to go down. Let's see, what do we got here? Moving ever so slowly. I'll show you what I'm looking at on the 5-minute chart. So kind of wicks up here. I mean, looking better for the bears. On the 3-minute, not looking so hot for the bears, but on the 5-minute, it's looking better. But if you guys are wondering how I trade off of the 3-minute chart with other charts as well. I have right now only one screen depicted at the 3-minute chart, but I have a 5-minute on the other half of the screen, and then I also have on my second screen, my second monitor, I have the ES 3-minute and then also the NASDAQ 15-minute. So 3, 5, and 15. That's what I use. It is what I use, folks. It is what I use. Do we finally go close these wicks down here? I mean, no candle wicks. No candlesticks. No wick candlesticks. Yeah. Jeez. I am just like... my brain's processing too fast and my body can't keep up. I don't know if you guys have ever felt like that before or the same way, but I sometimes think faster than I can speak. It needs to pop back down here. Do we get the bears to kind of flip it back down to the range down here? Bulls are doing everything in their power to hold it up. Again, my entry seems to be the sweet spot. Somehow, it's turned into support. Come on. Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that, NASDAQ? Gotta be toying with my heart here. Playing with me, you know? Let's go close the gaps. No wick on this candlestick. No wick. Give it a quick little pop. Drop it below VWAP and just flat out start tanking. At least for this trade. After that, it can do whatever it wants, but before you do whatever you want, give me what I want. Is that too much to ask, folks? Is that too much to ask? I would hope not. Would love for us to close down here in the bottom of this range. I don't want it to close up here, because if they close up here, and then they might try to form some support here for the bulls to come back through. But okay, it's not the best close, but somewhat decent. How lovely that my entry is somehow turned into support. Let's break down, flush through 30,000. Let's just flush it back down to this range down here at the bottom of this range. I don't want to see it hold up here. VWAP's here, so if the bulls want to take control, they're going to hold up here, but I don't want them to hold it, right? Obviously, I'm in a short, so I want the bears to come through here. Here we go. Let's keep breaking it down. Can we close this distance here? Kind of fill this little gap right there with the no wick here. We got one more. So can we continue getting this flush to 30,000? Close below 30,000, that would be more beautiful. Keeping my eye on the bid as well. We got 30,001. Can we get, there we go. Finally breaking below it. Go get this a little bit more of a flush down here. Just a little bit more here. 95. Trying to be patient here. Let's break 95. 95 is kind of being stingy here. We got 7, 6. I'm not saying that stupid meme too. 7 on the bid. There we go. A good close. Continue this flush here. Don't like that small little minor gap there, but let's continue this flush here. 680. I'm gonna move this up a bit. I just need 91. 93, there we go. 91. Oh, come on. You're right there. Give me a little love tap. There we go. Puts me at 803. All right, so we went 2 for 2, folks. Nah, not what I wanted to. I didn't want to hold through that, but somehow, you know. Sniper. I'm glad I adjusted that. So now do they turn this into resistance? VWAP and fill that little no wick candlestick. I do have another account that I can trade to, so let me see. This one's definitely, I think, whichever one it is. I'm trying to find it. Yeah, this is the one. $30,000. So ES is closer to the bottom of the range. The NASDAQ. Gonna go aggressive here again as well. There's not much left on this one, so kind of going big or going home right here again. Kind of full porting, so folks, that's why I say don't copy my trades. Definitely chasing here, but see what it wants to do. I'm going big and going home, folks. Would be nice to see one little, it's just a small little pullback, one little green candle, and it just continues to flush. Should be a good spot down here. Now the bulls are not gonna do what I think they're gonna do, right, and just trade it reverse here. That would be very unfortunate. But if they do, then they do. If they do, then they do. Well, how is that there? All right. Folks, I gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back, but I'm gonna just deactivate my camera. I'll be right back. Y'all be patient. Don't do nothing now. All right, I'm back. What did I miss? Looking like a little mini bear flag here. Can we get this to play out and just automatically just tank from here? Or not, or not. I mean, it could do that. It can very well do that. All right. While it does that, though, I gotta go look at the other accounts that I have. Okay. Oh, did I jinx myself by saying that the market was gonna reverse here? The bulls are gonna step back in? Did I shoot myself in the foot? Guess I might have. I guess I might have. That's alright. Nasdaq's trying to play this range here. Okay, so we want to do. Alright, so I know which accounts I gotta trade tomorrow now. Nice. Alright, I got saved once. I don't think I'm gonna get saved here, folks. I think she's a goner. Yeah. Guess I could have just closed my eyes and go long here. But like I said, you know, I said I guess I should have taken my own advice, right? When I said the market's just gonna reverse. But either way, I think that's that. I saved the 2 of the accounts that I wanted to save. So we're able to bring those back. And yeah, if you tuned in, appreciate tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways that I do here in the future. Other than that, y'all have a good night and have a great day trading.